Hut 8 says repairs to damaged crypto mining equipment are taking longer than expected. The delays are impairing the miner's hash rate and Bitcoin production. Hut 8 Mining, HUT, said repairs to damaged equipment at its Drumheller, Alberta site are taking longer than expected because of power shortages and equipment failures. Progress in bringing the equipment back online has been slower than expected given frequent curtailments and hardware failures due to power surges, the Toronto-based company said on Friday. As individual miner hashboards are repaired and reinstalled, other hashboards are failing and require repair, which is impairing our hash rate and production. The company, which is in the process of merging with US Bitcoin Corporation, said last month that the site was running at 15% of its installed hash rate, with a restoration expected in 10 to 12 weeks. That timeline won't be met, the crypto miner said, without giving a new estimate. The problems were first reported in March. Shares of Hut 8 rose as much as 3% in pre-market trading on Nasdaq. Edited by Parikshit Mishra. Sheldon Rebach is a CoinDesk news editor based in London. He owns a small amount of Ether. Follow at Sheldonbach on Twitter. Learn more about Consensus 2024, CoinDesk's longest-running and most influential event that brings together all sides of crypto, blockchain and Web3. Head to consensus.coindesk.com to register and buy your pass now. Read more about Hut 8 mining electricity miners. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.